What's up, guys? Dun, dun, dun. You know why he looks like that? You know why he looks sad? It's because he has to install 4 car seats. 2 right now. So we finally got those car seats for Noah.
What do you mean 2 right now?
Well, we have to go to church.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I'd like to finish it.
Okay.
You're gonna do me like that. You're gonna do me like that.
Peace out.
This one's eating sand.
Plastic sand. Oops.
Alright, Daddy's gonna go install the car seat, guys.
Say good luck, Daddy.
I did that. You don't break it.
I break
Yeah.
it.
Who broke it?
Nano.
Oh, okay.
We got no one to blame but yourself.
Actually, it was. So, I was at work yesterday. It was kind of a horrible day, so it's nice to be off today. Whoa! You all just saw my cleavage!
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Noah, say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Good.
Who's that?
Dory Queen.
Oh. Who's that? Hey!
Red Queen.
Right.
Or shit. Here's Grandma. Not this one. It's the poo-poo.
Poo-poo queen.
Yeah, look.
You wanna eat something?
Pizza.
What the heck?
Pizza.
Lolly! Hey! Stay here! Hey! Hey!
Mommy's lolly going.
I don't know.
The
Where are you going?
going. Lolly.
Where's your potty? Yep. That's the only things that use it. The cars. Are you gonna use the potty?
Take a nose to poo with a mouth. To poo with a mouth. Poo with a mouth. Please. Poo with a mouth. To poo with a mouth.
Poop will come out?
Yeah.
Come out of where? Your butt?
Yeah. Whoa. Why is this shopping? My car
Gone.
is away.
They're hiding.
Uh-oh. Did he get hurt?
You gonna get him?
Oh, she's gone.
It's gone? Seriously, it's gone?
Yeah, it's back.
Okay, say bye.
Shih
I love you.
Happy, yeah.
So guys, this is what we were talking about. We got Noah 2 of these car seats. Yeah, they are, it's called, oh Jesus. So it's called the Pioneer. It's, yeah? Yeah, Sun. It's called a harness 2 booster seat. I don't know what it's really called. But I think this top part comes off eventually. And we'll just have a bottom part. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool because we waited and waited and waited, and finally the store that we always buy our car seats from finally had a sale. So, oh look, that's a good manufacturer date. Oops. It says 2017. Yes, baby.
The box?
Yeah, the one box is empty, and the other box has another car seat in there.
A lolly.
No, they're both yours, baby.
No lollies.
One's Lolly's?
Yes, no.
Oh, okay.
This is, I have This is Lolly.
Yeah.
And Nano.
Oh, I see. Anyways, let's go eat, baby. No, let's not play with that. Let's go. Come, let's eat.
Hi, Nano. Do you like your new chair?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Blue.
Lolly, how about you, Bebe? Do you like your new chair? It's a little bit tight on your feet.
Me first.
You first.
Mommy go.
Mommy went to get her diaper bag for you guys in case you go poo-poo in your pants.
No.
All right, guys. Whoa, there we go.
Come here.
Ha. My name's Miter. Like Miter without so that's what the morning was about. Look, guys. I bought her in a nice jacket and she wasn't wearing it. I bought her in a nice jacket and she wasn't wearing it, so I guilt tripped her into going to get it. Oh, nice jacket, girl.
Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Ada.
Which one?
Ada.
What's that?
Mommy's jacket.
Jacket. There's something in my pocket.
Why? Why?
All right, we're gonna drive.
It's dirty. It's gross.
No.
What's that, baby? You can hear Lolly, but you can't see Lolly. Actually, Lolly's trying to put himself to sleep. It's around his nap time. It's actually way past his nap time. So, I don't really know what's gonna happen. But no. I love you. So, it's probably just gonna be dinosaurs.
Wait.
You have boogers? Who's gonna eat bones?
No, because it eats. Look. Tell mommy.
Yeah.
Tell mommy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll grab some water.
Hi guys, we're at the farmer's winter market and I'm touching a fern.
What's this, Lolly? What's that? Yeah.
And Daddy and Nano are making pots. Hi Daddy. They're painting.
Wow, Daddy.